Now, one of the basic work holding devices that you can use with the H-Series machine are these fixture blocks. Now these mount anywhere in these dovetail slots, so you can slide them into position and then lock them down. And the way that you lock them down are with these tapered blocks in the bottom. So when you tighten one of these screws on the side of the fixture block, it pulls the tapered block against a second tapered block that is pushed out against the dovetail, which locks the block rigidly down and rigidly into one side of the taper of the dovetail slot. Now, generally when you're using these fixture blocks, you only want to tighten down one or the other side of these tapered blocks. So leave one very loose with the primary tapered block fully bottomed out, so then you can see that the tapered block that comes into the dovetail is recessed. And when you slide this into place, then by tightening only one side, you'll lock the precision machine surface of the fixture block against the precision machine surface of the dovetail bed in order to get very accurate alignment of the fixture block with the axis of motion. So I'll slide this fixture block into place, and then I'll lock down the M3 screw. Now the maximum torque you're going to want to put on this M3 screw is in the 12 to 15 inch-pound range. But you do want to lock them down securely in order to get enough friction in the tapers to prevent this block from sliding when you lock down another one next to it. Now, the simplest way to attach your part to the dovetail bed is to actually bolt it down. So you can either use the hole pattern in the dovetail bed, or you can use the hole pattern in these fixture blocks. These are M4 tapped holes at 25mm spacing. And if you have up to 3 of these, with the 2 directions of slots, you can locate them for pretty much any hole pattern where the hole size is large enough to fit an M4 screw through. Now, one thing that you do want to watch out for is when you go to position the fixture block in one of these side dovetail slots, you don't want to slide the block too far into the dovetail, because there's a radius at the far end, and if you get too far inside and try to tighten the block down on that radius, it will cant the whole fixture block. So be careful to stay back behind that radius.